Hi, my name is Liam. I'm from Byron Bay in Australia. I've been travelling the last 19 months now through Asia and India. I went through the States and Mexico. So I've been a bit on a soul searching journey. I've been studying things like Tantra, Taoism, and the different practices, Tai Chi, Kung Fu, lots of yoga. And then I came through to Guatemala and did a meditation course, which taught me a bit more about the Kabbalic system and the Tree of Life. So I've been on this life journey and a lot of these practices are really about learning how to understand ourselves and how we relate to the universe, and in doing so also trying to understand the universe. I've always had this passion for education, so along the way I was learning about all these cultures and trying to incorporate a lot of practices, but I also needed to understand that we are living in a modern world and we still need to be financially sustainable. So that was why I ran a workshop yesterday, and that was to teach people how to make a bunch of natural products. I showed them in 4 hours basically how to make body butter, lip balm, deodorant, natural sunscreen and zinc, candles. Then I also taught them how to make vegan crepes, how to make different chocolate products. Really super healthy, super easy ingredients. So in 4 hours I really just tried to teach as much as possible, and it was a really beautiful day and really fun. I've always been really interested in organics and all of that, and so I started to look into how I can make money from these products and how to do them in a really sustainable, natural, organic way. And I found out that it's actually really easy to make these products, and when you start making them yourself, you know what you're putting in them. Then you learn a new thing. So this was all part of my educational learning process. I learned how to do these things. It was all about zinc. On the beach, in skin repair.
So could I reuse my old one?
Yes, you certainly can. Super easy, super nutritious. So easy. Do it on a flat surface. Yeah. thank you for watching, all those people who saw this, and I hope to see you all soon and inspire you all, and I hope you feel inspired to maybe start making your own products, because when you start to do the research on a lot of the things that are out there, you will find that there is a lot of toxic chemicals, there is a lot of toxicity in this world, and I think to make this world a better place, it really starts from the self, and I think that that vibration will flow out and manifest into much more beautiful things in the future. So yeah, thank you.